You flip the switch on your Dyson Supersonic and click. It dies. You wiggle the cord, it's back. You move an inch to reach your bangs, and it's dead again. It's not a ghost, it's a faulty wire, and it is a total hair-raising nightmare. The technical culprit? It's almost always a break in the internal wiring, right where the cord meets the handle. Years of twisting and styling cause those internal copper strands to fray and lose contact. It's like a loose tooth, but way more expensive and way more frustrating. But don't toss that expensive dryer in the bin just yet. RoboCare has the solution. Our technicians aren't just general fix-it experts, they are specifically trained in the delicate internal engineering of Dyson's high-end tech. We've spent years mastering the Dyson Supersonic, identifying exactly why these heavy-duty power cords eventually fail under the constant movement of professional and home use. We don't believe in quick band-aid fixes. Our team uses specialized diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact break within the internal copper lines. We carefully dismantle the handle, remove the compromised section of the wire, and perform a precision power cord repair. It's about more than just a fix. It's about restoring the safety and reliability you expect from Dyson. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Look at that. No frustration, no more cutting out, no more flickering. Just consistent high-velocity power that's built to last through every style. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If your Dyson is doing the off and on dance, please do yourself a favor. Don't throw it away and don't try to DIY it with electrical tape. Send it to the experts at RoboCare. They are professional and they truly know their tech.
Don't ditch your Dyson. Fix it. Contact RoboCare today to book your repair.